Free shopping at ChampionDealers.com. From sales to service, nobody beats a champion.
Introducing the 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
3-day money-back guarantee. Hassle-free pricing. Free Carfax report. From sales to service, nobody beats a champion. Visit ChampionDealers.com.